I have been trading Forex and binary option for more than 20 years. Through that years, I tested every single strategy. I have added all the best strategies inside this binary option robot for pocket option. And in this video, I'll test the best strategy I know of inside this binary option robot and run it live. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot also completely for free, I leave two links below the video. One if you want to run it on a cell phone, or the another one if you want to run it on a normal computer. Completely up to you. But now let's start up the robot and let's see how much money we'll make with my best binary option strategy for this free binary option robot. So there you have it, $1,285, 75% win rate. This is for me the best strategy for binary option. If you want this pocket option auto trader yourself, you find link below the video so you also can get started today completely for free. So with that, have an amazing day.